have a confession to make. I'm one of the few people who does not like summertime. The reason is because I get very hot, very sweaty, very fast. And so I have been looking for something to cool me down in those instances where I'm just a puddle of sweat. And supposedly, this is it. Hi, welcome to Zgadgetreview. Here we have the Jisulife Neck Fan 4. I always enjoy the pictures that they use to show you how you can use it. So you have a lot of happy people here with a fan around their necks. Then on the side, we get an idea of how this technology works. Then in the back, another diagram of how the air flows and then what's in the box. The packaging is actually pretty nice. As you can see, it's a white box with the letters, the world's #1 neck fan. Then you have Jisulife there. And doing this with one hand is not that easy. So we're going to go ahead and speed this up a bit. We have the fan, some literature. So we have that USB-C charging cable. We have a set of instructions here. And then we have the fan. Nice, small. You have your USB-C port there for charging. And then you have your intake air there. And then around in the halo part is where the air comes out of. I will say they're like maybe like computer fans, smaller. And of course the fans sit on top of your shoulders to give it stability. Here's your power button and the way you control the fan speed as well. What you see here is not a pair of headphones, even though it looks like a pair of headphones, kind of fits in my head, but it's actually a portable neck fan. You put this around your neck and then you have air that comes out through here. It blows straight up towards your head, face. It has 5 speeds. Right there, I have it at the maximum setting. I don't know if you can hear it through the microphones or even see if the air is blowing, but the air is blowing right now from here all the way to around here. And it does a pretty good job at cooling you down. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. They say that the battery lasts up to 16.5 hours. They call this a wide area surround cooling technology, ultra lightweight design. As I said, 5-speed wind adjustment. That's a fan speed. Now, how this works is pretty simple. It has 2 fans, one on each end on the areas that look like the ear cups. The fans pull the air and then it distributes the air through the vents that go around on the top of the neck fan. It has this little rubberized part back here that sits on the back of your neck in order to keep it in place. And it also has one button that you have to press up to 5 times again in order to get the speed that you want the fans to go. Now, there is no way to turn it off quickly. Once you press it once, it's on. And in order to turn it off, you have to go through all 5 stages until it turns off. There's not really a light indicator either that tells you where you are within the fan speed. It's something that you're going to have to figure out based on the amount of wind that comes out of the fan and also by the sound of the fans. The fans are pretty quiet in the first and second setting, but you can definitely hear them once you hit third, fourth, and fifth setting. If you're in a quiet place, you'll definitely get some sound out of this. I was wearing my earbuds, and even wearing the earbuds with the noise cancelling activated, I could hear the sound of the fans once they were on the highest speed. So keep that in mind. So right now I'm using the fan around my neck. And I don't know if you can hear it through the microphone of the phone, but it's at the maximum setting to get the most air flowing. And I will say that being outside doesn't make that huge of a difference on how you feel. I will say that it doesn't really make a difference. The black ones that you see here currently retail for $37.11 on Amazon. Depending on the color that you want, they can be cheaper. I cannot 100% tell you if there's 16.5 hours of battery on this thing. What I can tell you is that it lasts a long time. This lasted me about a week before I had to charge it. Keep in mind, I didn't wear it every day, all day long. I will put it on the times that I was hot, and I will keep it on until I felt cool enough. This did a pretty good job once I was indoors, better than outdoors. So if I'm indoors and I come from outside and it's really hot, if I put this around my neck, usually in the 4th, 5th setting, the highest, the better, you're going to cool down pretty fast. And the best part is, to me, that I could actually tell the difference between when I had the fan on and when I had it off. I could really feel the difference in temperature in my head once I took this off. So this again helps me stay cool when I'm indoors. When I'm outside, I didn't really feel a huge difference, even by having it on the highest setting. On a hot day without much air outside, this really didn't, again, provide that relief that I was looking for. But it did do it once I was inside. I've started swimming and walking from the gym to my office around 1 o'clock in the afternoon when it's the hottest part of the day. Once I get back to my office, I'm really hot. And putting this on allow me to cool down faster and not sweat as much as I otherwise would. Having this and being able to, just kind of relax and let it do its thing, even though it's loud, and I know that probably people around me can hear it, I'd rather do that for 5 minutes to 10 minutes max than to have to find myself with a paper and, and having to put it down because I'm doing work and then having to pick it up and all that. So to me, this was worth it in those occasions. What I really like about the design is that they look like a pair of headphones. So it looks like you just have a pair of headphones around your neck, which is helpful because, I don't want anything flashy or anything that's going to call attention to the fact that you're wearing a fan around your neck. At least personally, I don't want that. So I like that they're completely black and they look like a pair of headphones. They don't feel uncomfortable around my neck. The little rubberized part back here does a good job at keeping the grip against my skin so they won't be moving side to side while I'm walking around. I haven't run with them and I wouldn't run with them either because I feel like this will just bounce on top of you like this the whole time you're running. But if you're walking around and you want to wear it, you'll forget about it besides the fact that you have wind blowing on you. Would I recommend this? Yes, I would recommend this if you're a person who gets very hot and very sweaty like I do. These are going to be a lifesaver. Again, once you get indoors, outdoors, they're probably not going to provide that much of a relief. But once you get indoors and you put it on, you'll immediately start feeling cooler. And that sweat that you have going probably in your face will dissipate and it will help you feel better. Do you have any other questions that I might be able to answer for you about that neck fan? Do you have one of these? Or are there only other ones that you could probably recommend us to help us with the heat? Let me know in the comment section. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching.